Bullish Pancakeswap cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $17.19 and $37.44 by 2030. Market experts accept cake could reach $17.19 by 2025. Bearish Pancakeswap market cost expectation for 2022 is $3.06. Pancakeswap presentation. The decentralized money environment is one of the profoundly determined areas in the crypto space that has drawn the worldwide populace's consideration, fundamentally due to the high pace of advancement and low hindrance of passage inside the chain. With the quick progression in the digital currency space, more tokens are coordinated to stay aware of the market interest and development. Pancakeswap has shown to be one of the considerable conventions as they present a practical and fledgling well-disposed method of activity. This DeFi project is viewed as one of the most mind-blowing performing decentralized trades and furthermore the most advantageous for on-chain spanning and yields. In this video, we examine an outline of the environment, the continuous turns of events, and the exchanging capability of the resource the next few years. What is Pancakeswap? Pancakeswap is a consent convention that is likewise alluded to as a decentralized trade sent off on the Binance Savvy chain that upholds the cultivating and exchanges of BEP20 tokenized monetary forms. This convention was made by mysterious designers in September 2020 and used its local token, Cake, for on-chain exchanges at a lower cost and higher speed. It is something contrasted with SushiSwap and Uniswap. Then again, actually they're Ethereum-based and more costly. The decentralized trade uses robotized market creator model, a software engineer that disposes of the requirement for outsiders in crypto exchanges and gives the necessary liquidity. This remarkable model permits the stage's clients to store their assets in return for tokens from the liquidity supplier, and this arrangement of trade has given the answer for low liquidity in the DeFi space. Notwithstanding the emphasis on decentralization, Pancakeswap permits the symbolic holders to offer solid aggregate recommendations on the stage for administration, which is casted a ballot upon by different individuals, cultivating a feeling of local area. The Cake token has a few deflationary elements incorporated into capability guarantee that the resource's reasonable worth is kept up with. Around 10% of the cash is raised during the underlying cultivating offering, and the symbolic lottery is continually scorched, which supports keeping up with cost solidness. Because of its adaptability, the stage declared multiple million dynamic clients on their organization with an expected $6 billion stake as of April 2022. Pancakeswap major investigation. The group behind the formation of these stages stays unknown. However, this reality didn't influence the persistent development and reception of the organization. Pancakeswap works with the Binance Shrewd chain for better versatility. However, Cake stays a decentralized token. This organization with Binance Trade has made the token open to a bigger crowd and aided increment the quantity of tasks sent off on the convention. The guide that the token depends on is exceptionally itemized with imaginative foundation that is ceaselessly carried out by the advancement group. The guide highlights double choices, fixed term marking, a drawn-out loaning and getting stage for LP tokens, NFT gaming and exchanges, and numerous others. Pancakeswap consume instrument. The convention coordinated two consume components capabilities to empower better expansion control results. Be that as it may, the Cake token is utilized as LP tokens are known as flip to guarantee partakes in the convention for cultivating cake and syrup. The stage permits the clients to stake their LP tokens in return for cake constantly. The classifications of these symbolic consuming are 20% of cake money in the lottery pot is singed in the lottery program. 9.09% of the on-chain exchange expenses are directed to the convention's depository, where it is immediately annihilated. This includes a ton of distributions as 0.2% of the liquidity supplier's expense that is charged during trades is divided among the creating group and the LP, 0.03% and 0.17% individually. The group's allotment is singed every day. 50% of the assets raised during the Pancakeswap IFO is at times singed, which suggests that the greater the ascent, the greater how much Cake token that will be annihilated. Pancakeswap current cost. Pancakeswap is presently worth $3.82 USD. Cake has moved 0.07% as of now with an exchanging volume of $19,284,212. Pancakeswap is presently positioned 66 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $561,331,043 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Pancakeswap to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Pancakeswap market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Pancakeswap value expectation 2022. Pancakeswap, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The cake cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $5.73. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $5.35 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Cake is supposed to have a base worth of $4.58. Pancakeswap value expectation 2023. In 2023, Pancakeswap cake cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of cake will before long outperform $9.55. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the cake's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, cake will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $7.64 and a typical exchanging cost of $8.40. Pancakeswap value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $13.37 and cake might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Cake is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $12.22 and a low of $11.46 in 2024. Pancakeswap value forecast 2025. On the off chance that Pancakeswap effectively supports market opinion among digital currency lovers, the cake coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, cake will be green in 2025. The cake is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $17.19, with a base cost of $15.28 and a typical cost of $16.04. Pancakeswap value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the cake cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $19.86 by 2026, with a base cost of $19.10 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, cake has a most extreme value worth of $21.01. Pancakeswap value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $23.68. In the event that cake figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $24.83. Neglecting to accumulate the help cake needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $22.92. Pancakeswap value forecast 2028. While cake is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $26.74 and a yearly cost close